Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for some extra light in your life? I'm here to provide it for you with this great, awesome LED light from BLS. This light is a super bright cabinet or closet light that you can install super quickly. The coolest part about it is that bright light automatically comes on whenever you enter your closet. The light is rechargeable, so you don't need batteries, and it charges and stays charged for up to 180 days. So you won't have to worry about ever fumbling in the dark, whether it be in a cabinet or in a closet. I really love that this light is lightweight and it's so easy to pull down if you need to charge it, and the sensor works super awesome. Whenever you go into this closet that we installed it in, it comes on so quickly and it knows that I'm looking for something. The light is very bright with that LED brightness that is so wonderful these days, and it really just solves such a hard problem of how to add in extra lights to all the closets. If you're looking to get that light going in your life, then you need to check out this light, and that's my point of view.